Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix blue screen errors in Windows 11 without losing your data. First, start by disconnecting all extra devices from your computer. Shut down your PC completely. Unplug USB flash drives, external hard drives, printers, webcams, and any other accessories. Leave only your keyboard, mouse, and monitor connected. Now turn your computer back on and see if Windows boots normally. If the problem continues, the next step is to check your drivers. Press the Windows key and type Device Manager, then open it. Look carefully through the list of devices. If you see a device with a yellow warning icon, that driver may be causing the blue screen. Right-click on that device. You can try updating the driver first. If updating does not help, you can disable the device or uninstall it. Restart your computer after making changes and check if the blue screen is gone. Now we will check the Windows system files. Press the Windows key and type cmd. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. When the command window opens, type sfc/scanno and press Enter. This scan will check for damaged or missing system files and repair them automatically. The process may take some time, so wait until it reaches 100%. When it finishes, restart your PC. If none of these steps fix the issue, there is one final option that still keeps your personal data. Open Settings, then go to System and select Recovery. Click on Reset this PC. Choose Keep My Files. This will reinstall Windows 11 while saving your documents, pictures, and other personal files. Your apps will be removed, but this often fixes deep system problems that cause blue screen errors. After the reset is complete, your system should be stable again without losing your important data. Thanks for watching.